Hello everyone. Here I have planned to give a test demo of IaC Generator, the new feature of CloudFormation. Since in the new early version of CloudFormation, this feature is not available. That's the major reason that Terraform is widely used in various use cases. Okay, so to achieve this demo, some of the objectives I have collected, like to test this use case, we need to deploy sample EC2 instance using the management console. Generate a IaC template for the EC2 instance. Similarly, we need to jump into the CloudFormation console and IaC Generator feature. And then we need to scan the resources and select the EC2 instance type and its dependent resources. Then whatever we selected, then we need to review and then import the value to the CloudFormation stack, so that the unmanaged EC2 instance, whatever the changes are required, we can directly manage from the CloudFormation console itself. Let's check for time constraints. I have already deployed. Okay, I hope it is running. Yeah, I think you are also able to see the screen. It is in the running state and its health checks also passed, so we can able to do that. Since we are not logging into the server, only bring those configuration information to the CloudFormation template. That's the objective. So open the CloudFormation console. If you see on the left hand side of the panel, the IaC generator is highlighted with the new. So it's a very new feature. First, we need to scan. So if you see, this is the last scan attempt I have generated. Let me start the scan once again. It has started discovering the resources in the account. You can able to see in the percentage level. Currently, it has discovered 87 in the last scan. I think it will take a few minutes actually. So if we refresh, the scan status is completed. Okay, so it has discovered additional 2 resources after the scan. Okay, to create a template name demo IaC template, whatever the name that shows for you to remember, and the return policy I'm maintaining as it is the default. Here we need to add the scanned resources. So since it is a EC2 will sort with the EC2 instance type. So that it is easy to pick that right instance. Here itself managed by stack or not. So since it is an existing resource which is not deployed through CloudFormation stack, that's the reason it is highlighted. So we are going to bring that EC2 instance to the CloudFormation stack so that it will be managed from the CFT stack itself. So resource type and its ID or the identifier. If you go next, the EC2 instances are dependent on these sub-component like Elastic Network Interface, security group, and it is hosted on some subnet, and it's attached with the EBS volume attachment, and it is prepared with some VPC on VPC. So all the dependent resources must be selected, and we can review if we want to make any changes in the policy, we can make, and otherwise we can go ahead and create a template. It is generating a template, the status itself for all the 7, just making the template and including within this single template. The creation time and start time awaited. So it is currently in the YAML format. If you want to work with the JSON, you can choose based on the wish and your existing configuration. Okay, you can download this template and copy and import into the stack. So if you see in the template which is not having any parameters, okay, if you want to apply during the stack execution in the future, you can include parameter sections. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the same. If you see the security group, okay, and instance and its policies, okay, and the availability zone is located in the East 1A. Likewise, the subnet ID, security group ID, the entire resources, whatever it is dependent with the created in the same template so that we can import to the stack. So generating the template, generated template. So this common name for demo EC to stack. So since it is not having any parameters, so that's why it is no parameters. It will show what are the values it is going to import to the stack from the template. The same, the physical ID and the resource type and its logical IDs are visible. You can cross check. It is not going to replace anything. Just it is going to bring what are the existing values are there in the EC2 instance deployed directly from the AWS management console. We can review and execute the import resources. If you see the status, it is importing the each component values into the stack. It is in progress. You can apply what are the policies and additional configuration. You can update here itself each events and resources. The complete resources that dependent with the EC2 are listed here. If you want to make any changes to this resource in future, kind of security group update or kind of subnet update or increasing the volume of this EC2 instance or attaching additional volumes to this EC2 instance, you can make use of this CloudFormation stack within the CloudFormation console itself. That's the scope of this recording actually. So I hope you liked it, and I would like to receive your feedback and comments for this, since it is the very first video clip which I have recorded. Hope you have liked it, and thank you very much.